You can do lease options with no money. You look at that house over there that we just looked at, that I said I would give $300,000 for. So let's say the guy wants to sell it. Well, the guy can't sell it like that. He's not gonna get the money. Let's say he owes $300,000. He's paying a note on $300,000. He can't sell it for $300,000, or maybe he wants $400,000. Well, I'm not paying $400,000. So would it be possible for me to tell him, hey, I will lease this out from you for X amount of dollars. Let's say I'll lease it from you for $3,000 a month for the next 5 years. At the end of the 5 years, I'll give you the $350,000 you want for it, or $400,000, whatever the number was. So then I'm back building a deal for myself. I'm looking at it and saying, okay, what's it going to be worth 5 years from now? Can I put a tenant in it that pays me the $3,000? That way I don't have any money invested in it. So I'll put a tenant in it that's paying me maybe the tenant pays me $3,500 a month. Now I'm making $500 on cash flow, right? But I'm selling it to them on a lease option too. So I'm leasing it to them to sell. And they're going to give me a down payment. So I'm going to take that down payment money. That's non-refundable. That'll be my money. Then they're going to pay me. I'm going to make $500 a month off of it. They're going to fix the house up. At the end of the term, they're either going to buy it or not going to buy it. If they're not going to buy it, what I would do is I'd do another lease option and do it with somebody else. Or, then you got to go talk to the owner again and see, do they want to continue? Because if they're getting the $3,000 a month every month and they're happy with that, they may say, hey, just leave it like it is. I'm saying you got to think outside that box and create something that makes sense for you.